Hi everyone, this is Elena from Merrick's Looms. I am going to be unboxing one of our 2022 Summer Weaving Challenge kits today. So here is my kit. It's wrapped in tissue paper, so it feels like a gift when you're opening it. Now, the Summer Weaving Challenge kit is fun. It doesn't make something specific, but it's a bunch of fun materials for you to use throughout the Summer Weaving Challenge for whatever you want. So we have things like this gorgeous sari silk, some warp, some gorgeous summery colors of Array yarn by Gist, some gorgeous jasper stones. Oh, this is so much fun. Some pearl cotton. This I cannot wait to use. This is some soft flex craft wire, which is really fun to try using on a loom. Here's some ultra suede, some two-hold beads, a really fun mix here. Of course, we have some gorgeous hand-painted silk, a brass cuff, and some Ceylon fine weight bead cord. So using all of these supplies and other things that you happen to have on hand, we have the makings just for some really fun experimental weaving. We can't wait to see how you use the supplies in your kit, and we can't wait to start weaving ourselves. So we don't have very many of these left. Go to our website and grab yours if you still want one. The Summer Weaving Challenge begins on July 11th. And by the way, the kit is not required to participate, so you can sign up for the challenge, which is basically weekly challenge emails to get you to get to your loom and weave and kind of think outside of your comfort zone. So it's really a way to stay inspired over the summer and to have fun weaving. And it's a very casual, fun challenge that we've done a couple times, and we've always had a really good time, and we hope the participants have too. So we hope to see you there during the challenge.